HP Pavilion X2 with Windows 10, and let me show you how to bypass the password protection on that device, and let me show you how to perform the hard reset operation on the following tablet. So at the very beginning, let's start holding the left shift on your keyboard. Here I have the left shift. Keep holding the left shift. Let's use the power options and choose restart. Let's keep holding the shift. Choose restart anyway. Alright, the following screen should pop up. This is the Troubleshoot Mode. Here you need to choose Troubleshoot, select Reset this PC, and here you have to decide whether you would like to remove apps and settings but keep your personal files such as the photos, videos and documents, or you can remove everything, so you can remove all your personal files, apps and settings. In my case, let me perform the full reset, so let me remove everything. Now you have to wait a couple of seconds. The device is preparing the operation. To perform the operation, you need to also connect your device to a charger, so let me do it. Let me connect my phone, my tablet of course. Alright, here you have to decide whether you would like to clean also the drive, or you can just remove the files. In my case, let me choose just remove the files. It was the first option. And here you've got the information. If your device is connected to a charger, you can tap reset. And right now the device is performing the hard reset. The whole operation may take a couple of minutes, even an hour sometimes, so let's just be patient and wait until the welcome panel pops up. Then you will be able to activate your device and set up your tablet. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave a thumbs up under the video.